This is Undress by Pretty Sick. There's the D, C, quick change to A. It starts on G. Goes to E minor. D, C, A. This goes through the whole song, and then the bass at the beginning is going like back to the D on every one. So you could do that as an intro. You could go pedal. That's called a pedal when you keep going back to one note. So G, E minor, D, C, A. And then it starts over. That's the main progression. Now that's pretty guitar friendly because you could play that with all open chords. If you wanted to do an acoustic version of this song, it would work really nice. G, E minor, D, C, quick change to A, back to G. A lot of heavy feedback on the guitar. If you wanted to play that, you'd play that in B minor. Okay? B minor pentatonic should get that done. All right, I can't tell you exactly what they're doing, but they're doing all kinds of bends and stuff on the notes of the B minor pentatonic. Thanks for watching. Bye.